Today, you will learn English while discovering how a boy from a poor island became the greatest footballer in history. Cristiano Ronaldo didn't have money, didn't have easy opportunities, but he had unbreakable discipline and never gave up. Are you ready to rise with CR7 and level up your English? Let's start the story right now. 10. Believe in yourself, even when others doubt you. Cristiano was born in Madeira, a small island in Portugal. His family was very poor. They lived in a tiny house. Many people said, "You are too small and thin. You will never be a great player." But Cristiano did not listen. He played football every day, on the street with old balls. He believed in his dream. He said, "I can be the best." His friends laughed sometimes. They said, "It's impossible." But he kept training hard. He never stopped believing. At school, teachers told him, "Focus on studies, not football." His father had problems too, but Cristiano stayed strong. He joined a local team. People still doubted him. "You are not tall enough. You are not fast enough." Cristiano looked in the mirror. He told himself every day, "I am special. I will prove it." Self-belief was his power. When scouts came to see him, some said he is not ready. But one scout saw something. He took Cristiano to Lisbon. This lesson is important. When others doubt you, believe in yourself more. Like Ronaldo did. Doubts come from everywhere. Family, friends, even strangers. But your belief is stronger. It pushes you forward. Cristiano's story shows us self-belief changes everything. If you believe deep inside, you can achieve big things. Now repeat after me. Listen and shadow the words. Copy my voice and energy. Believe in yourself today. 9. Family and roots give you strength. Cristiano grew up in Madeira, a beautiful but poor island. His house was very small. The family shared one room. His mother worked hard. She cleaned houses to feed them. His father was a gardener. He had problems with alcohol. Cristiano was the youngest. He had 3 older siblings. They all lived close together. Family was everything to him. When he was young, his mother almost gave him up. But she changed her mind. She said, "He is my son." His sister helped him. She sold things to buy boots. His brother played with him. They kicked the ball all day, even when times were hard. The family supported his dream. His mother said, "Go chase it." She believed in him always. At age 12, he left home to play in Lisbon. It was very far away. He missed his family so much. He cried at night alone. But he thought of his roots, the island, the sea, his mom. That gave him power to continue. Family taught him love. And never give up on dreams. Roots make you strong, like soil for a tree. Cristiano says today, "My family is my foundation. Without them, he is nothing. They keep him grounded." Now repeat after me. Listen and shadow each line. Feel the emotion deep. Family and roots make us strong. 8. Turn pain into power. Overcome health problems. Cristiano was only 15 years old. He played for Sporting Lisbon. One day doctors found a problem. His heart was beating too fast. It was a serious condition called tachycardia. The doctor said surgery, or he might stop playing. Cristiano felt scared. Football was his life. He thought, "What if I lose it?" But he stayed calm. The surgery was quick. Laser fixed his heart. He woke up in hospital. His family waited there. 3 days later, he left the hospital. He wanted to train again, but doctors said, rest first. Cristiano did not wait long. After 4 days, he ran. He trained harder than before. Pain made him stronger. Many players would stop, but Ronaldo used the pain. He turned fear into fuel. He came back better. This lesson is powerful. Pain comes to everyone, but you can choose. Turn it into power, like Ronaldo did. From hospital bed to field. He never let pain win. He made pain his teacher. Now repeat after me. Listen and shadow the words. Feel the strength inside. Turn pain into power. 7. Move away from comfort zone for growth. Cristiano was 12 years old. He lived on Madeira Island. His life was simple there. He played football with friends. One day, a big chance came. Sporting Lisbon called him. They wanted him to join, but Lisbon was far away. He had to leave his home, leave his mother and family, leave the sea and friends. It was very hard for him. The trip to Lisbon was long. He felt alone on the plane. He cried when he arrived. He missed everything familiar. At the academy, he was new. The other boys were different. They spoke fast, played rough. He felt small and scared. Many nights he was homesick. He called his mom a lot, but he kept going to training. He pushed himself every day. Leaving comfort zone hurts, but it makes you better. Ronaldo learned new skills. He became faster and stronger. This change shaped him, from island boy to big star. He says, comfort is the enemy. Growth happens outside it. Now repeat after me. Listen and shadow the lines. Feel the courage inside. Step out of your comfort zone. 6. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Cristiano had natural talent. He was fast and skillful, but he knew talent alone is not enough for the top. From a young age, he trained more than anyone. After team practice, he stayed for extra hours. He did sprints alone. He shot penalties at night. He lifted weights in the gym. He worked on both feet. Coaches said, he is gifted. But Ronaldo answered, gift without hard work is nothing. In Manchester United, Sir Alex Ferguson watched. He saw Ronaldo train until the lights went off. He ate clean food, no junk, no late nights. He slept well and rested. Discipline was his secret. Talent opens the door, but hard work keeps it open. Ronaldo proved this with his daily effort. This lesson is key. If you have talent, add hard work daily. You will go further. Now repeat after me. Listen and shadow the words. Feel the power of effort. Hard work always wins. 5. Learn from failure and come back stronger. Cristiano joined Manchester United. He was young and full of hope, but the first years were hard. Fans and critics said mean things. They called him show-off. They said he dives too much. They said he is selfish. It hurt him a lot. In 2006 World Cup, he was involved in a big moment. Wayne Rooney got red card. People blamed Ronaldo. England fans booed him. Media wrote bad stories. He felt alone and sad, but he did not quit. He went back to training. He worked even harder. He improved his game. He scored more goals. In 2008, he won big. Premier and Champions League. He became Ballon d'Or winner. Failure turned to glory. This lesson is strong. Failure is not the end. It is a teacher, if you learn from it. Ronaldo's comebacks show pain of failure can build your success if you never stop. Now repeat after me. Listen and shadow the lines. Feel the power of comeback. Learn from failure today. 4. Stay consistent. Success takes years. Cristiano has a 20-year career. At the top level always. Many players shine early. Then they fade away. But Ronaldo stayed consistent. He scored goals every season. He won trophies year after year. His body and mind stayed sharp. He trained the same way, every single day. No days off for fun. Discipline never changed. In Real Madrid, he scored 450 goals in 438 games. That is amazing consistency. When he was 30, people said he is old now, but he kept running fast. He kept jumping high. At 35 and 39, he still wins leagues. He still scores hat tricks. Age is just a number. Consistency built his legacy. Not one big moment, but thousands of small efforts. Day after day after day. This lesson is simple. Success is not fast. It takes many years of the same good habits. Now repeat after me. Listen and shadow the words. Feel the power of consistency. Stay strong every day. 3. Give back and be grateful. Cristiano became very rich. He earned millions every year, but he never forgot his roots. He always looked back. When he was young, his family had little money. Now he helps others who are in the same situation. He built hospitals in poor countries. He paid for surgeries for children who needed help. He donated to schools in Madeira and Portugal. He gave books and computers to kids like he was. During disasters, he sent money fast. For earthquakes and floods, he helped thousands of people. He visits hospitals. He talks to sick children. He gives them hope, and sometimes gifts too. Ronaldo says often, I am grateful every day for what I have and for what I can give. This lesson is beautiful. When you succeed, don't forget others. Give back with heart. Now repeat after me. Listen and shadow the words. Feel the warmth inside. Give back and be grateful. 2. Dream big and set high goals. Cristiano Ronaldo dreamed big. From a very young age, he told everyone around, I will be the best player. In Madeira as a child, he watched big matches. He saw stars on TV. He said, one day, that's me. His goals were clear. Not just play football, but win Ballon d'Or, win Champions League many times. He wrote his dreams down. He spoke them out loud. He made plans every day to make dreams real. When he was 12, he moved to Lisbon. The goal was simple: become professional fast. People said, dream too high. He answered, why not high? Small dreams give small results. Big dreams push you far. This lesson is inspiring. Dreams without limits. Change your future if you set them high. Don't dream small. Don't fear big goals. Write them down. Work toward them daily. Now repeat after me. Listen and shadow the lines. Feel the fire of dreams. Dream big and set goals. 1. Never give up. Discipline is everything. Cristiano Ronaldo's life is proof. Never give up is the key. From poverty to legend. Discipline made it happen. He trained when tired. He trained when hurt. He trained when no one watched. Every single day, without fail. His mother says, he was always the last to leave. The field after practice. He wanted to be perfect. At age 35, others retire or slow down. Ronaldo kept pushing. New clubs, new records. He moved to Saudi Arabia at 38 years old. People said, it's over. He scored 50 goals in a season. Discipline is his secret. No excuses ever. No bad days allowed. Only focus and work. This is the best lesson. Talent fades without it. Luck runs out. But discipline never ends. Ronaldo's story inspires. From small island boy to global icon. Because he never stopped. Now repeat after me. Listen and shadow every line. Feel the unbreakable spirit. Never give up. Start now. That's the end of Cristiano Ronaldo's story. From a poor boy to a legend. 10 lessons that inspire. Which lesson was your favorite? Comment below. I read them all. Practice shadowing. Go back, pause, and repeat with energy. Do it daily. Your English will improve fast, just like Ronaldo's discipline. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motivational stories. See you next time. Keep rising. Bye-bye.